Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Shimla Mirch or bell pepper is a vibrant and tasty vegetable loved by many. Packed with vitamins and minerals, it's a nutritional powerhouse for growing kids. These peppers come in various colors, adding a fun element to meals. Red, green, and yellow bell peppers are not only visually appealing but also rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants boost kids' immune systems, helping them they stay healthy. The crunchy texture of Shimla Mirch makes it is a delightful snack for little ones. Including bell peppers in meals can contribute to better eyesight due to their high vitamin content. The vegetables is low in calories, making it a great option for maintaining a healthy weight. Its sweet taste makes it a favorite among children, making mealtime enjoyable. Including Shimla Mirch in meals adds variety and introduces different flavors to kids. These peppers can be a colorful addition to salads, making them more appealing to children. Bell peppers are easy to cook with, encouraging kids to get involved in the kitchen. The vegetable supports digestion with its fiber content, promoting a healthy gut. It's a versatile ingredient that can be stuffed with tasty fillings, creating a fun and nutritious dish. Bell peppers are hydrating, supporting overall hydration levels in active kids. The vegetables crunchies satisfies the need for a satisfying snack without compromising health. Its mild flavor makes it is a suitable ingredient for introducing kids to new vegetables. Bell peppers are an excellent source of fat. Thank you so much for watching this video.